Hello, students, and welcome to Miss Mackenzie's class. We are going to learn about prime factoring today. So I'd just like you to recall that prime factors are prime numbers, and prime numbers are numbers that are only divisible by one and themselves. So an example of a prime number is 2. Another example of a prime number is 3. 5, 7, 9 is not a prime number because 3 also goes into 9 because 3 times 3 is 9. And the next number is 11 and 13 and so on and so forth. Notice that with the exception of 2, all prime numbers are odd. So all prime numbers are odd except for 2. So there is one even prime number. So prime factoring is the ability to break down any number, any composite number, which is any number that's not a prime number, into a product of its prime numbers. So for example, the number 200 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5, all right, will equal 200. So that is what prime factoring is. It means breaking down or factoring a number all the way down until all you have left is all the prime numbers that make up that number. So how we do that is we like to write these numbers as a product of its prime numbers like I did already. So this is one way to express your number as a product of its prime factors. Another way is to do a condensed form to write these prime numbers as powers. So how many 2's are there as a prime factor of 200? There are 3. How many 5's are there? There are 2. They're still being all multiplied together and they will still equal 200. In the next video, I will go through how to actually do this. Why we do this is a number of reasons. One, as grade 10 math students, you'll need to utilize this to simplify radicals, mixed radicals and complex radicals. You will also need it in pre-calculus 11 to simplify radicals in order to work with them. And the objective is that one day in calculus, you will be able to use radicals and prime numbers to maintain precision in your calculations instead of having to round off decimals when it comes to working with irrational numbers. Another reason that we use prime factoring is that we actually use this in encrypting our data all the time, and there'll be more about that later on.